In this video, I'm going to show you how to center taskbar icons on Windows 10 and make your PC look like Mac OS. So to kick us started, I shall right click on the taskbar and uncheck Show Taskbar View button. My friend, also if your Cortana is on, you might want to hide it, although this method will work even when the Cortana is on. The second thing I'll do, I will right click on the taskbar and make sure that I've unchecked Lock the taskbar so that it is unlocked. And then I will now move on the taskbars and check links. And my friend, the links will show up here, and all I need to do is to push these links towards the far left corner side of this very window, and that will automatically push my taskbar to the right. And therefore all I need to do now is just to shift this very taskbar to the very center, so you will approximate where the center is, and once you are satisfied, you will leave it at that very point. The next thing I want you to do is to right click on the links and hide the short text. Also, I want you to come back and right click on the links and also hide show title. And then after that has been done, you will have your beautiful taskbar at the center, and this looks just like Mac OS. The second way to do this is to use an alternative free open source program called Falconix. So all you need to do is to come to Chrome, and we shall be downloading this Falconix open source program, and we shall run it and see how it is doing. So I'll click on the first link, and all I need to do is to come and click on this free download. I will click here to continue for the download, and this page will load. All I need now is to just click on free download, and my friend, this software will be downloaded. And once that has been downloaded, all you need to do is now to come and locate it in your local disk under downloads. And once you have the zip file, all you need to do is to unzip it, and you have the software. And then you open that very folder and come and run this installer. Just double click and it will now get installed. And all you need to do now is to click on install, and this software will be quickly installed onto this very computer. And you can see it is done. All you need to do is to update it, and my friend, it is going to run effectively. Now after that has been done, I will just click on close. I will also run this taskbar X configurator, and my friend, this one will tell you where you're going to place your very taskbar. My friend, I would like just to leave the style as default, and all I need to do is to click on apply. My friend, this has run automatically, and we can see that our taskbar is automatically centered. So my friend, all you need to do now is to open another app and see if this is really working for you, or you see if this is not going to work. That is when you are talking about the symmetry of this very taskbar. So I will look for an app that is not opened on the taskbar, and my friend, let me try and run it and see if it is going to automatically be synced on that very taskbar. So you can see, my friend, let me just close this. You can see it is added here. So let me try and close it and look at the taskbar on how it is behaving. So I click here, and you see it is automatically repositioned, and this is an advantage compared to the first method. My friend, I hope you now like how your computer is just looking like Mac OS. And if you've liked this video, feel very free to hit that like button, and you can also subscribe to this YouTube channel. And not only subscribe, my friend, ring that bell so that you do not miss any other future tips, tricks or tutorials. Otherwise, I hope I will see you in my next video. Peace.